Welcome back to your weekly cup of English. And in today's video, or today's lesson, we are going to be talking about 20 possibly very new words for you. These words are only spoken by British people, so they are very, very British English words. If you know these words, you would be a genius, because I have traveled all over the world, literally, and I have not heard anyone use these words. So if you can learn these words and start using these words, you will sound really good and you will sound like a native. So what I'm going to do for you, or what we are going to do, first, I will give you the word. Then I will give you the meaning of the word. And then I will give you the best time and the appropriate time to use the word. Then I will give you an example sentence. Yeah. And then you will repeat after me. So we get some practice in using this word. And once we've done the repeat, then you will shadow me. Shadowing me means mimic me. Say it the same way as I do, using the same pronunciation, using the same accent, and at the same speed. So you mimic me. Okay? So first you'll get the word, then you'll get the meaning, then you'll get best time to use it, and then we'll do some practice with the sentences, with the repeat and the shadow. All of these words are neutral. They're not informal and they're not formal. So they're all fairly neutral. So we won't waste time saying what they are. So they're all neutral. Okay, so we'll start off with your first word. Your first word is Bodge. Bodge. And the meaning of this word is a clumsy or temporary repair. Okay, best time to use it would be when describing a temporary or a poor quality repair. Now, your example sentence. That's not a proper fix, it's just a bodge. Okay, now I want you to repeat after me. That's not a proper fix, it's just a bodge. Okay, well done, well done. Now, shadow me. That's not a proper fix, it's just a bodge. I would use that word a lot. I use that word a lot. The next word I use as well. In fact, I think I use most of these words. Now, your next word is gutted, meaning extremely disappointing or extremely disappointed. Okay? And best time to use it would be when expressing deep disappointment. Your example sentence is, I was gutted when my favourite team lost the final. Now, repeat after me. I was gutted when my favourite team lost the final. Good. Now, shadow me. I was gutted when my favourite team lost the final. Okay, good, good. Now, your next word is cracking. Cracking. Okay? The meaning of this word is excellent or impressive. Okay? Now, the best time to use this word would be when complimenting something impressive. Okay? Now, your example sentence is, that was a cracking performance by the band. Now, repeat after me. That was a cracking performance by the band. Good. Now, shadow me. That was a cracking performance by the band. Nice, nice. Your next word is skive. The meaning, to avoid work or school by pretending to be ill or making an excuse. Okay? Best time to use it when talking about avoiding responsibilities. Okay? Now, your example sentence. He always finds a way to skive off work when it's busy. Now, repeat after me. He always finds a way to skive off work when it's busy. Okay? Now, well done. Now shadow me. He always finds a way to skive off work when it's busy. Nice. Well done. Now, your next word. Shirty. Shirty. Okay? And the meaning is irritated or bad-tempered. Irritated or bad-tempered. Now, when to use this? Best time? When describing someone's irritable behavior. When describing someone's irritable behavior. Now, your example sentence, there's no need to get shirty about it. It was just a mistake. Okay, now repeat after me. There's no need to get shirty about it. It was only a mistake. Well done, well done. Now, shadow me. There's no need to get shirty about it. It was only a mistake. Okay, good, good. Your next word is waffle. Waffle, meaning to talk or write at length without saying much of importance. You're just waffling. You're just waffling. Now, when the best time to use this word is when advising someone to be concise. When advising someone to be concise. And your example sentence would be, stop waffling and get to the point. Now repeat after me. Stop waffling and get to the point. Good, good, well done. Now, shadow me. Ready? Stop waffling and get to the point. Nice, nice. Now, going on to number 7, faff. Faff. And the meaning, to waste time doing unimportant or unnecessary tasks. Yeah, to waste time doing unimportant things, just faffing about. Now, best time to use this word would be when pointing out time-wasting activities. When pointing out time-wasting activities. Now, your example sentence. We were late because she was faffing about with her makeup. Yes, my wife's one of that. And now, repeat after me. We were late because she was faffing about with her makeup. Okay? Good, good. Now, repeat. Now, shadow me. Okay? We were late because she was... We were late because she kept faffing about with her makeup. Okay, well done. Now, on to the next one. And the next one's quite a common one. And it's called leg it. Leg it. Leg it. Okay? Meaning to run away quickly. Now, best time to use this would be when recounting a situation involving a quick escape. Okay, now your example sentence. We saw the dog coming after us, so we had to leg it. Okay, now repeat after me. We saw the dog coming after us, so we had to leg it. Now, good, good. Now, shadow me. We saw the dog coming after us, so we had to leg it. Nice, well done, well done. Now, going on to your next one. And your next one is bevvy. Bevvy. A drink, which is meaning a drink, normally alcoholic. We're going for a bevvy, that type of, it's a alcoholic drink normally. Now, best time to use this when casually discussing having a drink. Okay, your example sentence will be, let's go to the pub for a bevvy after work. Okay, now repeat after me. Let's go to the pub for a bevvy after work. Okay, good, good. Now shadow me. Let's go to the pub for a bevvy after work. Okay, good, good. Now, going on to now number 10, daft. Daft, meaning silly or foolish. Silly or foolish. Best time to use this, the appropriate time to use this, when playfully describing someone as silly. It's a polite way of calling someone silly, foolish. Yeah, polite way. Then your example sentence will be, don't be daft. Of course you can do it. Okay? Now, repeat after me. Don't be daft. Of course you can do it. Okay? Now, shadow me. Ready? Don't be daft. Of course you can do it. That's actually quite a common, really common word to say. I would use that a lot. Now, your next word is snog. Snog, meaning a passionate kiss. Normally a long, passionate kiss. Okay? Now, when the right time to use this, when talking about a romantic or playful moment. When talking about a romantic or playful moment. Okay? Your example sentence. They were having a cheeky snog at the party. Okay? Now, repeat after me. They were having a cheeky snog at the party. Okay? Well done. Now, shadow me. They were having a cheeky snog at the party. Nice, nice. Well done, well done. Now, another favourite of mine, I say this one a lot, it's plonker. Plonker. And the meaning is a foolish or clumsy person. A foolish or clumsy person. And when to use this? When playfully mocking someone for being foolish and silly. It's a polite way of calling someone stupid. It's a polite way, yeah? Now, your example sentence. Don't be such a plonker. That's not how you do it. Now, repeat after me. Don't be such a plonker. That's not how you do it. Okay, well done, well done. Now shadow me. Don't be such a plonker. That's not how you do it. Good, good. Your next one would be quibble, meaning a slight or petty argument. Best time to use it? When involved in a minor dispute or debates. Yeah? When involved in minor disputes or debates. And your example sentence, let's not quibble over small details. Okay, now repeat after me. Let's not quibble over small details. Well done, well done. Now, shadow me. Ready? Let's not quibble over small details. Nice, nice, well done. Now, this is, all of these are really, really common. Really, really common. We use these a lot. I use these a lot. Now this one, your next word is punter. Punter. Meaning a customer, a client, or someone betting on something. So a customer, one of your clients, they're punters. It's a punter. Okay. Now, best time to use this word when describing regular customers or bettors, people who bet on horses. They're punters. Yeah. Now, your example sentence. The new cafe is packed with punters every morning. Okay. Now, repeat after me. The new cafe is packed with punters every morning. Good. Now, shadow me. The new cafe is packed with punters every morning. Good, good. Well done. Now, this is another favourite of mine. Hunky-dory. Hunky-dory. What it means, the meaning of it, fine, okay, everything's satisfactory. Everything's good, everything's fine. Hunky-dory. Okay? Now, best time to use it would be when explaining that everything is fine and everything is satisfactory. Yeah? Everything's good. Okay? Now, your example sentence is going to be, everything's hunky-dory here, no need to worry. Now, repeat after me. Everything's hunky-dory here, no need to worry. Good, good, well done, well done. Now, shadow me. Everything's hunky-dory here, no need to worry. Nice, nice. These are all very, very English, very British, very British. Okay, next. Your next word. Kerfuffle. 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 Okay. Now the meaning of the word kerfuffle is a fuss or commotion caused by a disagreement. A fuss or commotion caused by a disagreement. Okay. Best time to use it, the appropriate time to use it would be when describing a minor fuss or disagreement. A minor, small, not a big thing. Yeah. And your example sentence would be, there was a bit of a kerfuffle when they realized the tickets were double booked. Okay, now repeat after me. It's quite a long one, this one. So ready? Repeat after me. There was a bit of a kerfuffle when they realized the tickets were double booked. Well done, well done. That's quite a difficult sentence, it's quite long. Now, shadow me. Ready? There was a bit of a kerfuffle when they realized the tickets were double booked. Okay? Well done, well done. That one's not so easy. Now, again, another very popular word. This word is sloshed. Sloshed. And basically, it means drunk. So someone was sloshed. So someone was drunk. Yeah. Now, best time to use it when discussing someone being intoxicated or drunk. Yeah, someone who's being drunk. That's how you would that you would use it. Now, your example sentence, he got completely sloshed at the wedding. Okay, now, repeat after me. He got completely sloshed at the wedding. Good, good. Now, shadow me. He got completely sloshed at the wedding. Well done, well done. And your next word is going to be lurgy, another popular British word, meaning minor illness or cold. Best time to use it, or the appropriate time to use it, when describing minor illnesses or colds. Yeah, if there's a flu going around, you say the lurgy's going about. If there's a cold, people are all getting colds, there's a lurgy about. There's a lurgy going round. Okay? Now, your example sentence. I've caught the lurgy. I'm staying in bed today. Now, repeat after me. I've caught the lurgy. I'm staying in bed today. Okay, good, good. Now, shadow me. I've caught the lurgy. I'm staying in bed today. Well done, well done. Now, going on to your next one, and we're very nearly finished now, very nearly. Your next one is scrap. Scrap. And it's a small fight or argument, meaning small fight or argument. Okay? Now, best time to use it would be when describing a small argument or fight. A scrap. They had a scrap yesterday. That's just basically means a fight or a bit of an argument. Okay? Now, your example sentence. They had a bit of a scrap over who would pay the bill. Okay? Now, repeat after me. They had a bit of a scrap over who would pay the bill. Okay? Good. Now, shadow me. They had a bit of a scrap over who would pay the bill. Nice. Well done. Well done. Now, last one. Natter. Natter. Meaning a casual chat. It's casual talk, casual chat. Okay? And the best time to use this is when talking about a casual conversations or a casual conversation. Yeah. Your example sentence would be, I love having a good natter with my friends over tea. Very English, over tea. Now, repeat after me. I love having a good natter with my friends over tea. Okay, well done. Now, shadow me. I love having a good natter with my friends over tea. Okay, well done. Now, they were your 20 British, really British words. You won't find any other country saying these words. These are very, very British. And if you can just pick 5 words, use 5 words, get used to using them, it's going to be quite difficult to remember all 20 and to be able to use all 20. So pick your 5 favorites. Tell me what your 5 favorites words are down in the comments, and use them words first. Once you've started using them words, then come back to the video, pick another 5 words, and then start adding them to your vocabulary. Your vocabulary will grow, and you will sound more and more like a British native speaker. These, I guarantee, these are very, very British. Very British. And we have one more video coming out later with another 20, because I don't want to miss all of them. So without missing them, we'll have another video with another 20. And they're all going to be very British. So if you can use all of these, your English will be amazing. It really will be, because not many people will be using these. And it will just make you sound so much more like a native if you get these right. Okay, so happy practicing. Get out there and start using them. And I will see you in the next video. Oh, don't forget, do me a favor. Like, subscribe, and ring that bell. That really does help. It really does help. It motivates us to keep on making these videos. And I'd like to thank everyone for their support. And I will see you in the next video. Bye for now.